Personalization is huge across the internet these days. If you're not personalizing, then you're left in the background. Super important to make sure that the right information presented to the visitor at the right time and that information is accurate. It's also important to remember that not everybody respects that personalization. So giving them the opportunity to decline or opt out is essential. It's really important to have that delicate balance between what the customer is interested in, but not too much information where they feel like they know too much about you and you violated their privacy or crossed a line. Under CCPA, the California Invasion of Privacy Act, people are facing new challenges. Essentially what it is a wiretapping law that says if you are a third-party resource, you are not allowed to listen into phone calls. They are considering the internet as a phone call, meaning that any of these third-party tags, so consider Meta, Google, anybody who is a third-party resource, if they are a JavaScript embedded on your tag, the assumption is now that they're listening as a third party, violating that wiretapping law under CCPA. I mean, if the visitor says that they don't want to participate in any of these communications, then it makes it very difficult to analyze your customer data. It makes it very difficult to present correct messaging to that visitor. So imagine a scenario where you've purchased a product, you've converted, you've already bought that product, and you continue to see ads for it. That'll be one of the side effects, the downsides of not approving these communications. You'll see repetitive information, irrelevant information. Lots of times people just kind of do the shotgun approach, right? Where they just get, like Google Tag Manager, for example, they'll just dump a bunch of tags in there and they'll start feeding it data from all of its disparate data sources from its origins. No way to centrally control or manage that data, which really gets you into a lot of trouble with legal. I think it's really important for the business to understand who their customer is and what attributes are relevant to that person. The more controls that you can put in place to govern your data, govern your platforms, the better.